So here we are again.
Another episode of What Has Rick Broken Now?
It looks expensive.
Yes. Looks is the operative word. No, that's not right. How do I say it that it is?
It just is.
It just is, Davey.
It's a broken race bike.
Yeah, it hurts more because I've got to pay for it.
Yes.
So I shan't complain too much because it'll give Kate ammunition. And I was gonna do an impression, but last time I got called something mean by someone on YouTube, so I won't say anything. It's a son your butt doesn't want you to race. I broke my engine.
So, what happened? Where was it?
Cadwell Park.
Yep.
So tested Friday, qualified Saturday morning. Did quite well in qualifying, to be fair. It couldn't even do it like on the test day. Do you know what I mean? Like It let me get my hopes up.
Yep.
Got away in a race. I was running fourth. And my bike's a bit of a missile. I only weigh 60 odd kilos anyway. And a lad I was racing come past me and I kind of went, that's not right. Like, it's an old 2013 BMW or something, and it come past me like I was standing still. I'm like, yeah, that's not right. So I was down the back straight into park. So I shut off the park, went through park, opened the throttle, and I come out and it went brrr, and I went, traction sounds weird today. And then I shut the throttle to go into Chris's curves and it just went grrr, and I was like, oh. So I have made a Glitterberry engine. I've got 300V with glitter in. It's the MoTeC dual blend.
Something.
Yeah, glitter blend.
Yeah.
We should sell that, we can make money.
So, unicorn blend.
Yeah, so I got back into the pits, dropped the oil, and it did. It looked like it was full of moon dust. So I have that's my engine behind you on the stand.
Hang on. Okay.
And this is and then this is my new engine in. So I am, depending on what day this is, what YouTube day this is.
Yep.
I am at Donington Park on Monday, or I might have already been.
The magic of YouTube, eh?
The magic of YouTube. So I am currently trying to get this sorted so I can go to Donington on Monday. Well, no, I'm trying to get this sorted so that it can go to PCR tomorrow, so they can run it on a dyno and make sure it's happy before I then go to Donington on Monday and try and crash it. So that it's all ready then for King of Coombe, which is, when is it? After I get back off holiday.
Right.
So, what have we done so far? Lost a load of tools is what I've lost. What am I looking for, mate? Corduroy. So, throttle, bodies, what have you got behind you? Radiator pack, radiator guards, all the body work. The wiring loom is over there.
There's a wheel.
Wiring loom's down on the floor. Yeah. So we be reap, and the bit that's absolutely knocked me off the most, right? Oh, bloody hell. Is you seen Steady Slicks?
Oh.
They have done and they're full of grass. I'm gonna cry because they're like $1 million these days. So, yeah.
So a quick turnaround then to get back for Monday.
Yeah. Brakes work though.
Well, that's good.
Well, they stopped me anyway. I got a photo. We'll have to remind me, and I got some cool photos on my Instagram.
Nice.
So yeah, what have we got left to do? Swap the clutch. Put a loom on, put the throttle bodies on. We're getting there. We're getting there.
So you've just gone for a straight stock engine?
Yeah, nothing fancy. We'll do a video when I strip mine, but I won't strip mine for a little while yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long does it take to get an engine in one of these?
We lifted this in about, how long you been here?
Hour-ish.
So I lifted it in probably an hour ago.
Wow.
So yeah, now I'm trying to remember what I've got to do next. So the chain guard is in the hot wash.
Yep.
So yeah, I think we're getting there, mate. That one goes there. So yeah, we'll
Cool.
just start.
Well, you look like you're up against it, so I think now would be a good time to...
Yeah, I don't know where to start. How easy is it to, while you're here, how easy is it to pull a sump off? Oh, don't fall over my fuel tank, mate.
Oh man.
Right, hang on now. Tell you what, let's see if we can just pop that off quick.
Yep.
There you go. Thanks, mate. Not just a camera holding dude, are you?
I can multitask.
Oh, right. Come on. I might need a whacker.
Whacker.
Whacker, whacker, whacker. Let me go and find a beating stick a minute. That went with a pop.
There she goes.
Whee! Yeah.
Debris.
Debbie is all inside my engine.
I don't know if you can see in it there.
Can you see much?
If I change the... hang on. Hang on. Oh, there we go.
So I think it's done a main. I think it's done a main. Nothing in the pickup. It's just like the oil's not even burnt. Look. It's like a brand new oil.
Mm.
And then you can see all the bittings.
Yes.
Ah well.
Oh well.